is love.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
It's giving busted, it's giving crusted, it's giving disgusted. But by the time of the end of this video, your girls are gonna be given what's supposed to be gay. We're gonna do a voiceover for the rest of this video so that way I can make this not as long. You feel me? So we're gonna start on this face, we're gonna do the hair, and then I don't know, we're gonna do something, but I'll see y'all at the end. We're gonna start this thing off with my Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer. Of course, I do not have dry skin, but whenever your skin is oily, it's because it feels like it's lacking hydration, and typically that's what you can find in dry skin products, so that's why I use it. What you guys just saw me brush through my brows was my lace glue. Not sure if that was the Ghost Bond or the Bowl Hole. Either way, get you some lace wig glue, or if you want to be a little bit safer, use soap to make the brow hair stick up so it can give you that nice bushy wispy look. For foundation, I am using the Revlon Color Stay foundation in the shade 410 Cappuccino in the oily combination skin formula. And then to bronze my face, y'all already know, like I'm pretty true to the products that I use. The product that I'm going to be using to contour my face is the Black Walnut from Black Opal. It's one of the True Color foundation sticks that you can get at like Walmart or I believe Walgreens. Wherever they sell drugstore products, they typically have like the Black Opal sticks. And I don't need to tell you guys where to place highlighting and contouring from because, you know, simple stuff. For concealer, I believe that's what I'm doing next. Yep. I'm using the Morphe, don't know, I think it's Fluidity. Do not hold me to it because I have none of the products in front of me. I believe the concealer is called Fluidity. Either way, I'm using that concealer. I do know that it is in the shade C4.45. It's amazing. I just don't like the fact that it creased, but as far as color and coverage, chef's kiss. I like to blend my concealer out now with a brush and then go back over it with the leftover product on my foundation brush. And then with that same Black Walnut foundation stick from Black Opal, I'm using it to carve out my nose so that was a little more prominent. And then I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 35. And I believe that's it's under the name 10. I know it's 10 for sure. I can't remember if it's 35 or 40. Either way, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer is what I use in the shade 10 to marry everything together. And then of course I set with my RCMA No Color powder. Y'all already know the drill. I apologize if I'm sounding snotty. It's because I am. My allergies are on my ass, y'all. Not even about to hold y'all. So after I'm done using the RCMA powder to contour out my face, I go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty to warm the skin up. And she's giving very much sun kiss, sun stalker, if you will, since that is the name of the bronzer. But it just gives this, like this brown, just, I can't put it into words. The bronzer is just amazing. I'm actually about to hit pan, so I need to re-up soon. I use that same bronzer to contour out my nose, and as you guys know, I do like to start my eyeshadow from the bridge of my nose. I feel like it marries everything together. Then I'm going to dip into the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and the first shade I'm going to use is Yodette. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the description box. I am horrible at pronouncing things, but I'm going over that contour just a little bit more, and that color is also going to serve as the transition shade for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going in the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to use the shade Morocco. And that's what I'm going to use to kind of like fill in the entire eye and give that nice orange look. Y'all know I am basic. I gotta start getting back into doing looks, because whenever I do decide to do my makeup, it's either no eyeshadow at all, or if I do eyeshadow, this is always the look. It's been this way for about 1.5 years. So if y'all have any specific colors y'all want to see me play with, definitely leave it down below in the comment section so I can get those videos filmed for you. I cut out obviously a lot of the other parts, but I did use my brown liner from LA Girl to smudge out, so that way the eye isn't just so one-dimensional. These lashes are the Eye Envy by Kiss in number 05. These are the Invisible 3D Remy lashes, my favorite at the moment. And the mascara, y'all already know, the Mansour Big mascara by Lancome. And for my blush, I actually used the eyeshadow that I put all over my mobile lid from the Nubian 2 palette, which was Morocco, on my cheeks for blush, and it looks amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the hair, y'all. My hair is so dirty, so y'all gonna see me like itching and scratching my hair so much. You know, one thing that I hate, because what I'm doing right now is self-explanatory, so I'll just talk to y'all. I hate how I always come up with my best hairstyles when my hair is dirty or my lace is starting to shift back. Like, it's like I be having a revolution at the worst times with my hair. So since I was gonna wash it anyways, I didn't care how much product I had to put in to make this look come together. I just did what needed to be done, period. So yeah, this is the bob. I made it out of some, this was hair store hair. So yeah, I made this half wig probably like 3-4 years ago, threw it in my hair closet, never thought about it. Once again, y'all know this is a Jada Way to Stan account. Jada Way had a bob, so Cece had to go get a bob. And yeah, I'm like, this is something that'll be cute. And for whatever reason, my friends love me in a bob. It does make me look a lot growner and mature, but you know, sis loves her inches. So yeah, this is my raggedy braid down. I really didn't care about trying to make it perfect because again, it was going to be under this half wig anyways. So all I'm doing is taking the clips and attaching it to the braids, making sure it's secure. This half wig is too freaking big for my head. Like, it's too big, but you know, I made it work. I was going for a nice little deep side part. If you guys haven't noticed, I am a side part girl. The only reason why a lot of my more recent videos when I had a weave in were with a middle part, it was because that is the unit that I created for my birthday last year, and I really wanted to go for like a jet black bust down. So yeah, I love a side part. I love the way that this look came out. And I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of this because I've been talking you guys head off, and then we will get into the details about my outfit. Lip color is number 12 from Sephora, Baby Doll Pink, by the way. So yeah, I'll go ahead and close this out.
Okay, so the fit is on, the look is complete. I'm gonna just pop some pictures on the screen so you guys can see the full look, because I don't feel like maneuvering the camera to show y'all on camera, so we're just gonna show you these pictures that I took, okay? So, I am wearing a black bodysuit from Forever 21. This blazer is also from Forever 21 as well, and the shorts are from Fashion Nova. The shorts are giving booty, the bodysuit is giving boobs, and this blazer just ties everything together. I paired it with a pair of my pink strappy heels from Miss Lola. If the links are still available, or if these items are still available on those websites, then I will definitely make sure that I place the links down below in the description bar if you guys would like to shop these exact pieces. I am about to head out to go take pictures. I hope that you guys love this video. I had so much fun filming it. This is like my tea. I just love to get cute and just go take pictures, even if I gotta go by myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you all in my next video.